Hello everyone and welcome to a new edition of Jaltest Diagnostics Vlogs. My name is Isidro. In this vlog I will show you how to check air conditioning load information in John Deere. We know that technical information is very important for our customers. That's why we work very hard to provide as rich and extensive technical information as possible. When we work with our agricultural machinery, tractors, harvesters and so on, we need to check technical information related to the equipment so we can fix it. In this vlog, I will focus on showing you information related to the air conditioning load that different models of John Deere need and how to have access to it. It is important to point out that this information differs depending on the model and the motorization of the vehicle. Jaltest is very useful as it provides exact information about the model in which we would like to perform a specific action. Jaltest is very intuitive, that's why it makes it very easy to find this information. From the main screen we will select Jaltest AGV. We will just need to choose John Deere. Then we can search in the family list, by model, by system or by category. We will check the 6 series and we will go to vehicle technical data. We choose a specific model and motorization. And here on the left we see that we will have access to more technical information like the system technical data, wiring diagrams, troubleshooting by symptoms or TSBs. Now that we are inside, you can see that we will have much more vehicle technical data like the engine distribution, the adjustments and tolerances, tightening torques, after treatment system, and the one that we want to check today, the liquid capacity and quality. We click on it and then we will go to air conditioning. And here you go. In this way, we will be able to check not only the needed liquid quantity, but also the quality in an easy and fast way. We will do the same right now for another motorization and model of John Deere. We go to 7 series, vehicle technical data, then we choose another one. It is just for you to see how easy it is to find the specific technical information that we need. Here we go, liquid capacity and quality, and we found it already. If we want to check vehicle service data, we will go to John Deere, we will check the 7 series and a specific model. And then here we will need to choose the specific model. And once inside, as I said, we will check the vehicle service data. We choose the specific motorization. And once inside, we can check by different intervals, and for example if we go to the 500 hours and we click on the climate HVAC, we will see that it tells us that we need to check ventilation system, air conditioning and heating operation, which means that we will need to check the AC load among others, and we just saw how to find it. I would also like to add that in some models of John Deere, like this one, we go to the climate HVAC, we see that it has an electronic module, the ATC, the automatic temperature control. Through this system, we will be able to read fault codes related to the system and also calibrate the system in this specific model. For example, in another models like the 6R, we are able to modify different parameters. As you have seen, the whole process is very easy and it will take us just a few minutes to easily find the technical information we need for our John Deere. If you have liked our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon.